Magandang araw sa lahat. The Fraternal Order of Eagles Limbas Law Corner is back to render service in the field of law for our countrymen. The topic we will be discussing today is the problem encountered by many parties litigant, usually the prevailing party, meaning the winning party. Many are saying, or some are saying, that the decision rendered by the court is favorable to him or to her. And yet it is now 2 or 3 years from the date of the decision. They were not able to collect the payment, the sum of money due them, like for instance the sum of 1 million. Okay, so yan ang problema. But is there really remedy for that? Kasi yung iba sasabihin, mahina kasi yung justice system, walang remedy for that purpose. Wala ba talagang remedy? No, merong remedy dyan. Ano ang remedy? Ikaw yung nanalo. Anong gagawin? All you have to do after the court renders a decision in your favor, ordering the defendant to pay the sum of 20 million, is you have to file a motion for the issuance of a writ of execution. That motion shall be filed within 5 years from the date of entry of the judgment. Mag-file ka ng motion for the issuance of a writ of execution. At tanggihan ba ng court? No. The court cannot refuse to issue the writ of execution. Because what? Because the issuance of a writ of execution is a mere ministerial function of the court. In other words, obligado yung court mag-issue. Mandatory, ibigay mo, judge. Ibigay ko. Nandyan na yung writ of execution. Paano ngayon yan? Abay, dapat alam nyo. You should know, if you are the prevailing party, the winning party, you should know what are the properties owned or belonging to whom? To the defendant na natalo. Abay, yan ang ipa-execute nyo through the sheriff. Halimbawa, meron palang lupa yan. 100 hectares yan. Ang gagawin ng sheriff dyan, yun yung i-execute. Or any other property that are not exempt from execution. So, anong gagawin ng sheriff? Ibigay sa'yo? Aba, hindi bibigay sa'yo yung 100 hectares na yan. That piece of property will be sold by whom? By the sheriff in a public auction. Di nabinta. Aba, nabinta nga. Magkano? 30 million. Yung 20 million na iyon, ibigay sa'yo. Ibigay. Paano yung 10 million? Ay, sorry, hindi sa'yo yun. Ibigay ng sheriff yan doon sa the losing party to the defendant. That is the procedure in court. I repeat, if you are the winning party, all you have to do is to file a motion for the issuance of a writ of execution. Kaya lang, tika muna, maghanap ka, ano bang mga properties owned by whom? By the defendant. Hindi naman tungkulin ng hukuman na maghanap ng mga properties. Hindi na makatrabaho yung mga court personnel kung yun ang trabaho nila. Ikaw ang alamin nyo, hanapin nyo. So that you will receive the sum of 20 million per the court decision. So meron palang solusyon yung justice system natin. Huwag nating sisihin na, justice system kasi ganito. No, there is a solution. Kaya lang you are not availing of it. Okay, so maliwanag. We hope that this short message will help you or our countrymen in this kind of situation, so that they can collect payment what is due them. Okay, so kung hindi man, kayong mga nakakarinig nito, ay malalaman ninyo yung, ito yung pala yung batas, yung pala yung rules of procedure or remedial para makuha natin yung napanalunan nating 20 million. Alright, so this is another service of the Fraternal Order of Eagles Limbas Law Corner. Okay, so ito inihandog sa inyo ng several Eagles Club, Limbas Eagles Club sa Antipolo City, Province of Rizal. Gusto niyo sumali? ang daming fraternal Eagles clubs buong bansa. Mamimili kayo kung saan kayo nakatira. And if you are from Antipolo City, you can choose any fraternal order of Eagles or Lady Eagles Club. Ang dami. Pero kung sabihin nyo ay doon kami sa Limbas Eagles Club, then you can choose our club. Specifically yung sa amin, ako kung saan ako membro, ito yung tinatawag na Limbas Marangal Eagles Club in Antipolo City. Maraming salamat.